Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Pulan Sulistiarli from Management Class 22A. I will explain about interview. An interview is a conversation between two or more people that takes place between a source and an interview with the aim of collecting data in the form of information. Therefore, interview techniques are one way of collecting data, for example, for certain research. Referring to the KBBI, an interview is a question and answer session with someone to ask for information or opinions about something, published in a newspaper, broadcast via radio, or shown on a television screen. Interview activities can be carried out for various purposes and by anyone such as journalists, job seekers, researchers, and so on. Definition of interview according to expert. In order to better understand what an interview is, below we have summarized several expert opinions regarding the meaning of an interview as follows. 1. Lexi J. Maulung. Lexi J. Maulung states that an interview is a conversation with certain purpose. In this method, researchers and respondents meet directly to obtain information orally with the aim of obtaining data that can explain the research problem. Anna Sudjono. Furthermore, according to Anna Sudjono, the definition of an interview is a way of collecting informational materials which is carried out by conducting verbal question and answer unilaterally, face-to-face, and with a predetermined direction and purpose. Sutrisno Hadi. Sutrisno Hadi referred that interview are excellent tool for finding out a person's response, opinions, beliefs, feelings, motivation, and projection for the future and have a considerable ability to explore a person's past and the secret of their life. Robert Kahn and Channel. Robert Kahn and Channel. Finally, according to Robert Kahn and Channel, the definition of an interview is a special partner of interaction in verbal for a specific purpose and focus on a specific content area, with a continuous process of elimination of unrelated material. Purpose and function of interview. More specifically, according to Zenel, the purpose of the interview is as follows. 1. Obtaining information directly to explain a particular thing or situation and condition. 2. Obtaining data in order to influence a particular situation or person. 3. Complete a scientific investigation. Referring to these objects, it can be inferred that the function of an interview is to obtain information and data accurately, in-depth, objectively, as well as to complement the interview initial information. Apart from that, interview also allow new perspective to emerge on the topic raised. Type of interview is general based on how it is carried out. Interviews are divided into three types, namely 1. Structured interview. The first type of interviews is a structure or guide interview, where all the questions to be asked have been prepared in detail and complete. 2. Unstructured interview. As the name suggests, unstructured interview are the opposite of structured interview, where the questions asked are open-ended. This type is also usually called a free interview because the interviewer can ask the search anything. However, what needs to be noted is that this question remain relevant to the data requirement so that the interview can still be controlled. 3. Press conference interview. A press conference interview is when journalists are invited by certain parties to cover certain information or data so that is publishing and disseminated. 4. Press access interview. Almost the same as a press conference interview, but for press access interview, the scope is even smaller, such as the result of meetings, negotiations. 5. Roundtable interview. Roundtable interview are a form of interview that is quite complex, in which the interview must develop strategies and scenarios first so that the interview process can run smoothly. In this case, the interview acts as a moderator for several sources, so not only asking and recording as well. The interview is also tasked with managing the course of the conversation. 6. Semi-structured interview. The final form of interview is the semi-structured or biographic interview. As the name suggests, this interview is aimed at gathering information as material for biographical writing from related sources. That's all I can explain. Thank you for watching and listening to my video.
Wanna know me, wanna know about me, wanna know about me, but it can't help me 'cause I'm
카메라 이런 거 하지.